Dancehall music is very disrespectful to the black woman. And nobody cares about that. We only care about what Shenseea for say, put it back in it and lick and rah. This is not me advocating for suck pum pum, you know. But that's a say. We have 112 people murdered in less than a month. And we are so worried about Shenseea and who Shenseea want them. I'm not busy to watch it. If you want to like Shenseea, go like Shenseea. Bad bro. I don't care. But let's what happened to Jasmine Dean? What happened to Jasmine Dean? Yes. So, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe by hitting notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Yeah, man. So, when I say the title, yeah, man, very controversial. You understand? But this is what I believe deeply. You understand what I say? So, we see Shenseea released a song on January the 21st entitled Lick. You understand what I say? Know that song debut, that #1, big up Shenseea upon your success moment. You don't know the thing set, but you don't know what that type of content that Shenseea is creating. It also created a lot of negative buzz behind the song. Now, people are saying that the song is weak. People are saying the song is too outrageous. The music video is too outrageous. I'm just saying I see someone who is just trying to push the envelope. You understand? Like every other artist, you know, regardless of the subject matter, that is someone who is pushing the envelope. You understand what I'm saying? Because controversy sells. Every artist know that. Zine, but what I'm really here to talk about is not Shenseea nor the type of content that she is creating. I am creating this video because of the double standard and the hypocrisy, you know, displayed by the Jamaican people. You understand what I say? No, we see Shenseea put out a song named Lick, and we know what that song is for. That song is, you know, her wanting a male to do, you know, what is considered the unthinkable in Jamaica. Well, not anymore, because so many people are doing it and hiding it. You understand what I say? The girl them are so good, and the girl them not really to hide it, because, you know, Vybz Kartel liberate the girl them for say, oh, yeah man, I'm so good. I might think that the girl them are liberated right now. You can't use it and shame the girl them no more, because the girl them are them thing that the girl them want to do. You understand what I say? And I love a nasty girl here and there, big up on yourself, see me. You understand what I say? But I just hypocrisy me I call out and a double standard. So Shenseea put out Lick and a whole heap of Jamaican, so, you know, whole heap of Jamaican girl that said the song lame. The song lame. Shenseea, they must say, yo, the song weak. You know, put your back in it, all that dropping, rare. But what we are say is, the man them now, majority of the man them zine, majority of the man them vex. They must say, yo, Shenseea, what kind of song this? That song a dirty song, rare. Lava, fire, brimstone, rare. And I'm just here looking and I'm saying, what the hell you mean that song that forget burn up Shenseea? When Jamaica have a history of being, you know, having one of the most disrespectful genre towards women. Because in every dancehall song is a bitch, she a junker, you know, she forgot suck good, fuck out her throat and them, like them things we talk about in the music. And don't come tell me say I lie, me I tell. But you only care about Shenseea saying man for lick her and eat her out, which is fear personal preference, you know, that's what she personally like, you know. And a Jamaica she represent for, you know. She tell us she want man for eat she. If you know you not eat front, okay, leave it alone. The girl them know them suck good, them leave the suck good song them alone. But the man them know always have to display double standard and hypocrisy. Shenseea say lick. Open your mouth, put your tongue on it, and put your back in it. And the man say, no, Shenseea, love the song, the dirty song. You want to know what some dirty song is? You want to know some dirty song? What happened to Vybz Kartel, Freaky Girl? Part 1, 2, and 3. You tell me now. Vybz Kartel have a song, a trilogy, named Freaky Girl 1, 2, and 3. In a Freaky Girl 1, the man say, bad man, not tell no lie about it. Every time you get a head as it nice, don't it? She said, Jice retire, I want to cry so quick. But me go ask Jolene. She said, Jice won't quit. My papa street vibes and rejoice about it. Me build up a spliff, and while I smoke it, she grab the cocky and ice throat it. Ice stroke. It's sweeter. Me have a vice note it. She have a vice note it. So while in my bonus spliff, she has suck him out with ice. But that is acceptable because why? It's a man I say it. In a part 2, Freaky Girl part 2, the man say, him no want a boy tell him a fuckery. Say him no want to get blowjob. But when him say freak, him don't glad unless him no bumbo clot, no God. A girl come play with the seed bag. Make me beat up the pussy real bad. Me give you Versace clothes, Louis V bag, you get a house, you get a money, green jack. So he might give the girl them incentives to suck good. But Shenseea say lick. And everybody has said, no, Shenseea, lava, dirty girl. But nobody said these things about Vybz Kartel. And if they did say that, the pushback was this small. The pushback was this small when Vybz Kartel said, yo, freaky girl for suck good, I'm coming at short. It was actually celebrated more than it was bashed. It was celebrated more than disapproved. Him have part 3. Me never listen to that, but I never like that one there. It did too slow for me. I never like the freaky girl part 3. I like part 1 the most, and then part 2, okay to me. Vybz Kartel, I'm an artist, and I'm grown enough to not be biased. And I'm wishing that you guys would be reasonable and logical with me here. I'm not advocating for man to suck pussy. I'm not advocating for that. I'm just calling out the hypocrisy behind the whole thing. Because a man can say these things, but a woman cannot. A man can request a freaky girl, but a woman dare never request a freaky man. Why are we like this as a people? Why are we so hypocrite? It would have come at the same thing. If Vybz Kartel can sing about this thing, freaky girl 1, 2, and 3, you are my baby. Shift your pan, run your tongue all over me. That leave room for interpretation. Run tongue all over you. Say, I mean, say, you want to run tongue all in your body. Not saying that that's what Vybz Kartel is saying, but I'm just saying it leaves room for interpretation. A man can say these things, but a woman dare not say it. Is this how we treat our women in society? They are no longer property, you know. Them free just like man, and them free for do and say anything. A girl can have as much sex partners as a man. No, she can do it, but there's going to be repercussions. She can do anything a man does, but there's going to be repercussions for your actions. Vybz Kartel, yeah, my baby. Then I have another song say, you put a lipstick. She put the cocky on her lip. She said, coming like lipstick. She said, coming like lipstick. A man can request freaky woman all day, every day. But a woman dare not request a freaky man. And again, this is not me advocating for suck pussy. I'm just calling out the hypocrisy and the double standard. Because Vybz Kartel literally grew up pan freaky song, pan gun song and freaky song. And girl song, gun, girl, freaky song. With little conscious song here and there, droplets in the ocean. All of Jamaica have these things to say about Shenseea, about her personal choice. She want a man for devour her vaginal cavity. A Shenseea business that, brother, you want to know what we care about? We care about the 112 people that dead in less than a month in a Jamaica. I think we should be more outraged about that than Shenseea want a man for name her pum pum. I think we should be more outraged about the 112 people that got murdered in less than a month than Shenseea licking song. Priorities. Vybz Kartel can sing about freaky girl all day, every day. All of them dancehall artists can sing about freaky girl all day, every day. But no, Shenseea, not you. If you do it, Shenseea, lava upon you. Brimstone, fire. You're a woman, if you behave yourself. That's oppression. That's up. And you know, I saw Uno carry Uno say, I say Uno, I'm including myself. We carry ourselves. We're biased and we're hypocritical and we're full of double standard. A man will put 2 lesbians in a music video. 2 lesbians in a sodomy, that nastiness. According to the Jamaican society, them think they are filth. You understand what I say? Filth. But it's okay for have that. It's okay for have that when it's coming from a man. We can have 2 lesbians in our music video, but we don't want 2 Batman in our music video. But if Spice ever put 2 Batman in our music video, oh gosh. Spice, you're a dirty girl. Go, Spice, go. Me say, never tell Spice to withdraw out of the show, out of the gay pride show. We don't adjust the back of Batman when they're in Jamaica. Them have a whole gully full of Batman. We don't know how to talk about them. Spice is a businesswoman, and it just so she have batty people around her where do business. Uno okay with lesbian and the burn out Batman are the same sodomy, are the same nastiness. What is it considered in Jamaica? Are the same filth. So you like one and don't like the other one. Madness. 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 So these male artists can call woman drunkro and call woman this and call. Dancehall music is so disrespectful to the black woman. Dancehall music is so disrespectful to the black Jamaican woman. In dancehall, there's no uplifting dancehall music for the black woman in Jamaica. Me love dancehall music, I'm not gonna lie to you. Me love dancehall. Dancehall is my favorite genre from then till now, but let's keep it real. Dancehall music is one of the most disrespectful genre of music towards the black woman. Dancehall music is very disrespectful to the black woman. And nobody cares about that. We only care about what Shenseea for say, put it back in it and lick and rah. This is not me advocating for suck pum pum, you know. But just say. We have 112 people murdered in less than a month. And we are so worried about Shenseea and who Shenseea want them. I'm not business who wants it. If you want to like Shenseea, go like Shenseea. Bad bro. I don't care. But let's what happened to Jasmine Dean? What happened to Jasmine Dean? You worried about who wants suck pussy? That's why we don't reach nowhere, you know. That's why we don't reach nowhere. How about to stop hide the blood clot criminal them with their Jamaica? How about to stop hide the rapists them live in Jamaica? How about to stop hide the thief them in our blood clot community in Jamaica when them do the wrongdoing and talk about that? We want to talk about that. We want to talk about Shenseea lick. That's all we care about. We don't care about what people are doing in a bedroom. In them bedroom. We don't care about what the fuck affect how Jamaica is being affected by these other things. If you want to clean up the freaky song them, let's clean up the Jamaican society. How about that? You well want to blame people and say, people this and people that are... Shenseea right now is a byproduct of her environment. Shenseea was inspired by the artists before her to do these freaky things because she saw where a lot of them benefited from doing these freaky songs. So she just wants her piece of the pie. But no, we disapprove of that, Shenseea, because you're a woman. You should shut up and move and go with that nastiness. Make we stay over here and talk about suck hood, girl for suck hood, but you don't ever talk about a man for come suck your pussy, mama. Laugh upon that. Una like lesbian and una don't like Batman. When time I see them thing, it's either una gonna hate the two of them or love the two of them same time. But una can't hate one and love one. And this is not me advocating for batty business because I know someone limited now thinking. Hear me make this video calling out the double standard and think I'm advocating for batty business and suck pussy thing. I saw someone limited now thinking. We just call out hypocrisy. And priorities, please, priorities. We have 112 people dead before a month. What are we going to do about that? Oh, nothing. Let's just continue about Shenseea and our nasty song. Make me know what you're thinking in the comment. I don't know one nation and Imara nation. You see me? Up move. Blessings and honor to everybody. Give thanks and make sure someone go and stay tuned because more things are forward. You understand me? I say, up move. I'm out.